I love to have flowers inside because you can bring a little bit of the outdoors to the inside of your home, and also it feels fresh. For this particular centerpiece, we're gonna use a 7-inch square vase. We're gonna fill it up with water, about 3/4. We chose dahlias as the main flower for this arrangement just because they're very full, and the colors are also very pretty right now. There's like burgundy, there's oranges, and off-white, which are very full. I feel like it just works with the season, and it's available in all the farms right now too. So easy to pick up a bunch and just start building it at home. We work a lot with eucalyptus, just in our own style. We chose the eucalyptus because it's a very organic green. It's very, it gives it like a wild feel. It gives it a more homey, natural look. You cut it about 12 to 15 inches. You place the greens first. It's gonna keep all the flowers in place. After the greenery, you do your main flower. We're gonna use orange dahlias. You wouldn't think to use roses in a full bouquet or in a full arrangement, but I feel like they just work together with the dahlias in terms of texture and color and the smell of it too. You want something that's gonna emit some sort of fragrance in your home. So that's why we chose it. So the last step is gonna be the berries. We're gonna use 3 stems. The color is of white. That's gonna make the other colors stand up a little bit more. I feel like it makes the home cozy. It's just a nice thing when you come home and you see flowers on the table. It brings the space to life, basically.